A 10 News viewer called us with a warning for all San Diegans tonight about a computer virus attempting to steal your money by making you think you've committed a crime.
But believe me, I do not look at any porn whatsoever.
10 News has learned this virus has been making its way around San Diego, and if you get it, you'll pay one way or another. 10 News reporter Dan Haggerty is in the live center with what you should know about this money scam. Dan?
Yeah, Kim, this is what the screen looks like if you get the virus. It says Department of Justice up at the top, and as the woman said there, it tries to accuse you of looking at child pornography, saying if you don't give them some money, you'll be prosecuted. And as we mentioned, the problem is if you see this screen, you're probably going to be out some money either way.
Basically, they were accusing me of watching child pornography.
Sandy Brew found the virus after returning home from a long trip.
They actually took over my computer and prevented me from using it in any way, shape, or form. I couldn't even shut it down.
It's called the DOJ scam or the money pack scam. This screen takes over your computer and looks somewhat official with federal insignia at the top. It claims the feds busted you watching child porn. Even says you're being recorded as you read the bad news, which is you're going to jail unless you pay up.
And then you are off the hook because it was the first offense.
You can get the virus a dozen different ways, including just opening an email. And if you get it, it may not show up for a few days, making it even harder to track down the origin. Sandy wasn't sure how she got it, but she knows how she didn't get it.
I guess if you were really watching porn, then you'd really be worried because you know they nabbed you. But I wasn't, so I knew it had to be a scam from the start.
Problem is, just because you're on to the scam doesn't mean you won't be out some loot. Unless you're a computer whiz, this virus will cost you more than $100 to have removed by a pro.
The viruses can be really tricky. We mentioned how they say they're recording your video and audio. Some of the viruses will even take over your webcam to make it even more convincing, but don't be fooled. In the Live Center, I'm Dan Haggerty, 10 News.